In this video, I'm going to go through the steps for enabling the Azure Automanage Resource Provider for subscriptions. Now that Azure Automanage is no longer in public preview and is now generally available, you'll need to make sure that it's registered for your subscription before you can start using it. To register Automanage for a subscription, we're going to need to go to Subscriptions first in the Azure portal. I currently have 2 subscriptions under my account. I want to register Automanage for my second subscription here, so I'll click on that one. Next, on the left-hand side, scroll down to the Settings section. Then, click on Resource Providers. Under Resource Providers, type Automanage in the Filter by Name box. This will confirm whether Automanage has been registered for the subscription or not yet. You can see here that the status is currently not registered. Click on the row for Microsoft.Automanage, not the actual provider name. That will pop up a Properties window. Once the row is selected, the Register button should become enabled. So click on Register. The registration process can take a little bit to run, so I'm going to pause the video here. Now that that's completed successfully, I can see that Microsoft.Automanage now has a status of registered. Now that Automanage has been registered, it can be used in that subscription. That's how to enable the Azure Automanage Resource Provider for a subscription. Make sure to keep an eye out for more videos on Azure Automanage coming soon. Thanks for watching.